This DIY reset will make your car feel brand new. Buckle up, because today we're delivering the secrets to eternal engine life right into your garage. Does your beloved car feel sluggish, hesitant on startup, or just plain tired? That rough sound and excessive gas consumption are not signs of old age. They are cries for help. Most drivers ignore these warnings, thinking they need a costly mechanic. You don't. We're talking about a DIY engine reset that costs almost nothing but will make your car feel like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Stick around, and you'll get 9 specific hands-on tricks, including the one tiny detail that mechanics intentionally overlook. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Breathing secrets. We start where all power begins. Air. If your engine can't breathe efficiently, it can't perform. Fixing these 3 elements is the fastest way to restore lost horsepower. 9. Clean or replace your air filter. Your engine is a powerful vacuum, and it needs clean, unrestricted air. A clogged filter is the equivalent of trying to run a sprint while breathing through a thick cloth. It causes the engine to struggle, leading to power loss, higher fuel consumption, and in turbo vehicles, that jarring lag like a punch in the gut. The myth. Don't believe the old myth that a dirty filter is somehow better. Clean airflow is smooth airflow. The action. Pop open the air cleaner box. If the filter looks dusty or dark, it's time for a swap. Most filters need replacing every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. They are inexpensive, usually $25 to $100, but the return on investment and throttle response is immediate. 8. Clean the mass airflow MAF sensor. This is where the magic happens, and where mechanics often miss the mark. The tiny MAF sensor is the engine's lung capacity calculator. It precisely measures air volume, telling the ECU exactly how much fuel to inject. The dilemma: when just a microscopic layer of dirt or oil coats this sensor, its readings become wildly inaccurate. The ECU starts guessing wrong, which translates directly to poor fuel economy, jerky acceleration, and sometimes a mysterious check engine light. The DIY fix. This is a 5-minute job. Unplug the sensor, gently remove it, and spray it thoroughly with MAF-specific cleaner. Don't use brake cleaner. Crucially, never scrub it or touch the sensor wires. Let it air dry completely before reinstalling. Doing this every 12,000 to 15,000 miles is the fastest DIY power reset you can do. 7. Inspect and clean the throttle body. The throttle body is the gateway to your engine, and it gets surprisingly dirty. Carbon and oil vapors creep in, forming a sticky buildup around the butterfly valve. This is the component 64% of drivers delay cleaning, often waiting until the engine is already rough idling, stalling, or struggling to accelerate. The symptom: gunk around the valve throws the idle air mixture out of balance. The action: disconnect the air intake hose. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a clean, soft cloth. Gently prop the butterfly valve open. Use the gas pedal on drive-by-wire systems and meticulously scrub the soot. Let the body air dry completely. This simple act restores balanced airflow and immediately makes your acceleration smoother. Section 2. Fuel and fire essentials. Once air is clean, we focus on the efficiency of combustion. No engine will run like new if it's choking on old residue. 6. Fuel injector cleaning. If your engine has lost its edge and is guzzling gas, the fuel injectors are the likely culprit. Instead of spraying a fine, atomized mist, dirty injectors dribble weak streams of fuel. No mist means no muscle. The strategy: while a store-bought fuel system cleaner helps for stubborn, performance-killing gunk, professional cleaning is needed around 30,000 miles. Technicians use a pressurized solvent kit to blast away deposits, restoring that crisp spray pattern. The result? Instant throttle response and better fuel economy. 5. Carbon cleanup. Black carbon soot, that unwanted guest, clings to valves and pistons, causing rough idling, sluggish response, and strange knocking. This is especially critical for direct injection (GDI) engines. The service: you have 2 options: a quality fuel additive poured into the tank, or the professional solution, walnut blasting. This service uses crushed walnut shells to literally scrub the intake valves clean. The rule: if you have a GDI motor, plan to address carbon buildup every 30,000 to 50,000 miles to maintain that new car responsiveness. 4. Swap the old stuff, the biggest power thieves. Your engine may be a marathon runner, but the parts around it wear out. Replacing these tired components is the surest way to restore power without overspending. Spark plugs and coils. Worn spark plugs alone can steal up to 30% of your engine's power. New spark plugs can be a $20 investment that you can do yourself, instantly recovering that lost horsepower. Timing belts and hoses. Do not ignore the manufacturer's intervals for timing belts. A snapped belt equals catastrophic engine failure. Section 4. Internal health and the game changer. Now we tackle the unseen enemies: sludge, pressure, and seals. These small details determine long-term engine health. 3. clean the PCV valve, and check coolant system. We are bundling two critical maintenance items here. The PCV valve. This tiny valve vents gases from the crankcase. If it clogs with sludge, pressure builds up, causing oil leaks and hurting fuel economy. To check it, pull it out and shake it. It should rattle. If it's silent, clean it with carburetor cleaner or replace it. The coolant system. Overheating is the silent killer. Check your fluid levels regularly. A healthy system ensures your engine doesn't suffer the damage that requires thousands of dollars in repairs. Don't wait until the coolant light comes on. 2. Regular oil changes. Oil is the engine's lifeblood, but let's bust the biggest myth. The 3,000-mile rule is outdated. The real rule: throw out the myth and look at your owner's manual. With modern full synthetic oil, many cars can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles, and some high-end vehicles push to 15,000 miles. Following the manual saves you money while ensuring proper lubrication. Pro tip for aging seals. If you have minor oil leaks on an older engine, try this trick. Add a specialized product like a T205 reseal solution to your oil fill cap. It rejuvenates aged rubber seals without costly disassembly, keeping your engine bay clean. 1. The hidden game changer, the gas cap seal. The one small detail mechanics rarely mention. This is the final, often missed piece of the puzzle. When your car stumbles or throws a phantom check engine light, the problem can be the humble gas cap. The mechanics. The gas cap's rubber ring is vital for sealing pressure in the fuel system. When dirt builds up or the gasket dries out, air leaks in. This tiny leak throws the sophisticated fuel-air balance of your engine into chaos, leading to rough idling, hesitation, and stalling. The ultimate fix. Give the rubber gasket a vitamin. Once a year, grab some clear silicone grease. Dab a pea-sized amount onto the rubber ring and twist the cap on and off a few times. This simple motion revives the gasket's flexibility, ensuring it seals tight even in extreme weather, instantly stabilizing your fuel system. You now have the exact blueprint for a DIY engine reset. You've learned the secrets of the airflow trinity, the importance of the PCV valve, and the power-robbing nature of a dirty MAF sensor. Every one of these checks is an investment. The time you spend now will reward you with countless miles of enjoyable driving ahead. Don't let neglect steal your engine's power. Apply these 9 simple steps, especially that final gas cap trick, and you'll feel your car run smoother, cleaner, and truly feel brand new again. Thanks for joining us today. Happy driving!